Meet BRYTE, your personal AI tutor designed to answer your questions and help you build a deeper, more confident understanding of your course content. BRYTE is here to make learning exciting, interactive, and personalized just for you. Using BRYTE in your LearnStage learning platform is easy. On your dashboard, choose a course and click Initiate BRYTE. Or if you're already in a course, just click the BRYTE icon in the lower right-hand corner. Once BRYTE is initiated, you'll be welcomed with a friendly greeting. You can ask BRYTE your own original questions about the topics covered in your course. Or you can choose from the suggested questions to help you explore topics even deeper. And if you want to take it a step further, you can ask BRYTE to play a game or quiz you on the course content. This is a fun way to test your knowledge and prepare for your quizzes and exams. If you want to start fresh, click New Chat in the top right corner. Your previous chats for the class will be saved on the left side of your screen. Switching courses? No problem. You can easily view previous chats specific to each course by selecting a different course using the course list in the upper right corner. The more you interact with BRYTE, the better it gets to know your unique learning style and is able to give you personalized support. As you chat with BRYTE, remember that these conversations are monitored. Please follow proper online etiquette. Be polite, avoid offensive language, and always protect your personal information and the information of others. With BRYTE, the possibilities are endless. Start a conversation with your BRYTE tutor today and see how it can transform your learning experience. And remember, you're never alone on your learning journey. BRYTE is here for you anytime, 24/7, 7 days a week. Let's unlock your full potential, one chat at a time.